Welcome! If you want to use the split screen in your Motorola Moto Z3 Play, for the first you have to open this application that you want to use. In my case it will be the Google Chrome and the calendar. And right now you have to click here on this button, click and hold on the application that you want to open in the split screen mode, and now drag it. And right now we have to choose the second application, and that's it. With this switcher you can also close this mode. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.